Have you been thinking about your health lately? Wondering what simple changes you can make to your diet to feel better? We all know that maintaining good health is not just about exercise, but also about what we eat. So, let's discuss a small yet significant change you can make to your eating habits. A change that's been around for centuries yet is often overlooked in our fast-paced world. How about we explore a simple addition to your diet that could bring about a big difference? Yes, we're talking about bone broth. Scene script. Bone broth, a humble and ancient food, holds a wealth of health benefits. Now, what exactly is bone broth? Often confused with stock or broth, bone broth is a culinary gem all its own. It's a savory elixir, slowly simmered for an extended period of time, usually 24 to 48 hours. This long cooking process allows for the extraction of rich, flavorful nutrients from the bones, such as collagen, marrow, amino acids, and minerals. But the magic of bone broth doesn't stop at its rich, hearty flavor. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with benefits that can enrich your health in numerous ways. Let's delve a little deeper into this. Bone broth is awash with minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. These are essential for maintaining strong, healthy bones and teeth. The simmering process releases these minerals from the bones, making them readily available for your body to absorb. Next up, bone broth is a fantastic aid for digestion. It contains gelatin, a product of broken-down collagen, which helps maintain the integrity of the gut lining. Gelatin acts like a soothing balm, reducing inflammation and promoting a healthy gut. This makes bone broth an excellent choice for those with digestive issues, but the wonders of bone broth don't end there. It's a boon for your joints too. The simmering process breaks down cartilage and tendons around the bones, releasing compounds like glucosamine and chondroitin, which are celebrated for their joint-supporting properties. Last but not least, bone broth is a friend to your immune system. The rich array of nutrients it contains, from amino acids to minerals, can help bolster your immune defenses, keeping you fighting fit. So there you have it. Bone broth, this simple, time-honored concoction, is not just a tasty addition to your culinary repertoire, but a veritable trove of nutritional benefits. From aiding digestion to supporting your immune system, it's a healthful brew that deserves a place in your kitchen. Intrigued? It's time to learn how you can make bone broth at home. Making bone broth at home is easier than you might think. You've got your bones, right? Beef, chicken, fish, lamb. It doesn't matter. The beauty of bone broth is its flexibility. You can mix and match based on your preference or what's available in your local market. Now let's get started. Grab a big pot, throw in your bones. Don't be shy, pile them up. Remember, the more bones, the richer your broth will be. Now this is where the magic happens. Fill the pot with water until the bones are fully submerged. Bring it to a simmer, not a boil. You want to coax out the nutrients gently, not force them out. Now patience is key. Let it simmer for at least 12 to 24 hours. Yes, you heard it right. The longer it simmers, the more nutrients you extract. While you wait, why not jazz it up a bit? Add some vegetables like carrots, onions, or garlic. You can even throw in some herbs like rosemary or thyme. These will lend a beautiful depth of flavor to your broth. As the time passes, you'll notice a rich, savory aroma filling your kitchen. That's your cue. Strain out the solids, and there you have it. Your very own homemade bone broth. And voila, you've got a pot of bone broth ready to consume or preserve for later use. So, are you ready to give bone broth a try? After all, who wouldn't want to reap the benefits of this power-packed, nutritious elixir? This isn't just about a trend, it's about investing in your health, one sip at a time. Bone broth isn't just comforting and delicious, it's also a powerhouse of nutrients. It's rich in collagen, which is great for your skin, hair, and nails. It's packed with amino acids, which can help your gut health and support your immune system. Plus, it's a fantastic source of minerals like calcium and magnesium. Imagine sipping on a warm, comforting mug of bone broth, knowing that you're nourishing your body from the inside out. Now that's a routine worth sticking to. So go on, give it a try. Brew your own bone broth, make it a part of your diet, and feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy and remember, your diet is a key part of that journey.